Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix your Instagram messages not working. If you're trying to message a specific person or people and the message is not going, sometimes this happens because of your internet connection. So check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that works. Now if that still does not work, then go ahead and open your settings app and then search for storage. Then what you have to do is click on the Instagram option and then offload app. This will free up storage used by the app but keeps its document and data. Reinstalling the app will paste back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, if that also does not work, go ahead and open your Play Store or App Store, then search for Instagram, then see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes. Next, if none of that helped, go ahead and delete the app Instagram from your phone and then reinstall it with all the latest files and bug fixes. I hope this video helped you on messaging people smoothly without any interruptions. If it did, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you